By now, we all know that skincare is vital to, maintaining a healthy face. But did you know it's also vital to how your skin ages? Diet, stress, and daily environmental triggers create imbalances in the body that can lead to acne, dryness, sensitivity, pain, and premature aging. Fortunately, recovery for your skin is possible with the right treatment plan. Our Bioline Deox Corrective Facial takes skin treatment to a whole new level. If you'd like to restore your skin's natural beauty and prevent a loss of elasticity, this may be the right treatment for you. This revitalizing facial utilizes the most advanced forms of vitamin C to create immediate brightening of the skin. Moreover, it offers global protection against free radicals and acts as an anti-aging shield to slow down the aging process. When you come in for a Deox Corrective Facial, we will first ensure your comfort and then cleanse the face, neck, and décolleté using a warm, gentle cleanser. We will then wrap your face in a warm towel with an aromatic calming blend. After applying a special cleanser to your skin, we'll begin the exfoliating process. This generally lasts about 5 to 10 minutes and may create a slight tingling sensation. From there, we apply an activator serum to your face and massage in the Deox cream that will create outstanding results for your skin. Next, you'll enjoy a moisturizing mask that helps remove the dead outer layer of skin and stimulate respiration and circulation. You'll walk away with refreshed skin that looks and feels exceptional.